Let's make some delicious crispy pork belly. It's a skin on pork belly. We're gonna do first, we're gonna cut through the meat side. This will help once you're cutting it into sections. It's gonna be super easy. So you're gonna go probably about every ½ inch and then twice down. Makes little cubes just like so. Season it with your favorite barbecue seasoning really well between the crevices. And then we're gonna be placing it in a foil, making like a little tiny boat. Just fold it up with the skin side up. White vinegar now. We're gonna slather it really well all the way around, just like so. Like that, really well. And then we're gonna salt it pretty heavily. We're gonna throw it on the smoker at 250 degrees for 3 hours or so. The internal temperature you want is around 165. All right, now let's throw it in. Then after that, after about 3 hours or so, we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna be cranking the heat up to 400 degrees. See, the skin is nicely dried. Now we're gonna be adding some avocado oil right to the top, slathering it really well. Place it back in the smoker at 400 degrees. After a few minutes or so, I am going to remove it off the foil, and we're gonna just place it on the direct on the rack. At this point, once it's looking nicely red, just like so, pull the foil out. I did end up putting it skin side down because the heat comes from the bottom. I did not show that part. I did not film it, but I did after, it wasn't like really bubbling. You can also even grab oil that is super hot, like 350 degrees. But see, I flipped it down for about 10 minutes at 500 degrees, and this is how it looks like now, all nice and bubbly. This was absolutely delicious, very juicy, really crispy. Make some really good tacos, or you can eat it up just like so. But this came out absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna give it a go.